Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and this is our lifestyle kit in the back of the 200 series. And yeah, welcome to Queensland. Look at the rain, right? And look at that red glow in the back. Let's just have a look at that. That's our 240 volt equivalent to the Travel Buddy oven. Folks, $29 from Kmart. It's better than the Travel Buddy. It's only drawing 1132 watts, which you can see here. And it'll toast, it'll do chips in there, put your pies in there, do everything. But this will do it in literally in minutes. 29 bucks, one of the best things you can get. We've got the fridge running on here now. We've got our Bluetooth sensors in there, the drawer, the inductions at the bottom here, and we'll show you that in a second. And we've got the Black Bridge on here for the switching. So there's the white, and here's the amber light that we've got up here now. And so if I stand back in the amber light, you get a nice view of that. And let's have a look at the induction now. And here we are now with the double induction, and the light is literally directly above that. So I'm now going to switch that off. Look how this is backlit here, amber. These are custom laser engraved. Now we've got the white on there, and let's have a look at our chopping board now. So we now got this set up to simulate cooking, and we are in the rain. And you can see here, that's our prep table. Underneath here, plates, knives and forks. I don't have two hands to lift it up. We've got the induction there. And we've spaced this out. These are 1 meter length slides. So we've spaced this out away from the edge so that you can open up that fridge and that won't hit that prep table, right? There it is. Fridge is open. That will open up. We've got the Black Bridge here is showing the 12 volt power, which is the starter battery. And we've got the 48 volt back up here. These three drawers here, general purpose drawers, power in down the bottom. That's for the towed caravan from behind. And then we've got two double GPOs here with the USBs. And there we are now, lit up at night. Fridge is open, no beer is inside, and it's beautiful wet weather. How good's that? And here we are now, we're doing 2137 watts on the system now from Scotty.